Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome to the channel, Xela Trader, and today we're going to talk about Forex. Let's mark charts. Simple as that. Let's mark some charts. Okay, so we're on the euro to the dollar, 1 hour chart. Okay, very simple. Let's mark some charts. Okay, so looking back last month, April, big downtrend straight away, trend line. That prominent top, see where the drop is, you're going to run that down. You're going to run that straight through. Easy as that. Okay, that's your trend line. Don't really have to worry about that now, that's the past, but it's just nice to see the breakout, nice to see the bounce, and nice to see it come all the way up into this new uptrend, what looks like an uptrend. This is live as we're speaking. Okay, so it's 10 to 6 in the evening GMT. Okay, got 10 minutes left on this candle. Just drop down. Let's mark it. What we got? Potentially this, even start from that low there, I'd say. See where the wicks touched. People run trend lines so differently. Like some people run it from the candle, some people run it from the trend. I usually just do it in a general direction. I use trend lines to know the direction of the market. Okay, that's what I use it for. I like to see the direction of the market. Clearly, you can see this is now going up. It's been going up since the 25th, 24th to the 25th of April. Okay, all the way up. Well, 27th actually, because obviously the weekend. 24th, 26th. Yeah, so it's uptrend pretty much from there. Let's mark some support and resistance. Okay, so what we're looking at is predominant areas where you see this consolidation, right? Simple consolidation. People like to mark them with horizontal lines straight across, rays, horizontal bars, stuff like that. I like to mark them with boxes. Okay, just one of them things I've always done. What I like to do is I like to box my ranges. So you see this consolidation. What I'll do is I'll mark that. That's my consolidation range, you can see it, okay, and then I'll run that across to the future, okay, just so I can see the range, and now I can see where it's touched it again. That gives me a nice zone and a nice area to know that that's a bit of support. Now we're in an uptrend, that's a bit of support. Again, what I'll do is I'll grab the box again, and you can see this one here, this nice little ranged area here. You can see that is now clearly a new resistance range, right? It couldn't hold on the support, so it's dropped out, so now it's turned to resistance. Now you can kind of see this big channel here that we're in, okay, big channel. If we're in an uptrend, what you want is this to bounce off this trend line and come up. You see where the wicks touched? Still got another 7 minutes or so before the new candle starts. We can see if it goes down or if it comes off the trend line. If it comes off the trend line, comes up, that is a good sign for us, because this is a nice ascending wedge pattern. Okay, so then you know it's going to hit this, and more than likely the probability of it is that it's going to come up and keep on going up. Okay, that's what you want, right? Setting new highs and new lows. That's what you kind of want on the uptrend. If, however, it drops out, we've got quite a lot of news to come through the next week. If it hits this ascending wedge and drops out, then you know probability of the fact if it comes through this trend line is coming down to this support area here. So probability of the fact is if it comes up, you want it to break this resistance range, that's your buy. If it drops out, you want it to break this trend line, that's your sell. Simple as that. I don't, so many people I see make this so complicated. You really don't need to overcomplicate this. You can see you've got a strong support level here. Okay, very strong support level. You can see you've got an upward trend, and you can see now you've got a strong, a weak support level here, which is now turned to resistance because it's dropped through. Yeah, you could mark up here if you wanted to as a secondary. I wouldn't really put it there, just for the fact that it's only had two candles, two touches. not really much. Okay, what I would do though is I'd mark this area here, because if you look at that range there with the candles going up and down, you can kind of see that is a new resistance level there as well, the new resistance range there. So if it does break this resistance range, you know you've got a secondary resistance range where you could put a TP one there, your take profit one there, and then have a higher take profit later on. You know, same here as well. What you got, look at this big range here. You've got a big range here. Essentially, it is very big, so I'll try and cut that down as much as possible. Take out the noise. You want to look for the closer to the together consolidation. As you can see, you've got 5, 6 candles there, consolidated very closely together with not much of a range. So essentially, that's what you're looking at. So you would pull that across. So now you know, very simply put, if it breaks out of this ascending wedge down and it comes down, that's your first support. So that's your sell point, that's your take profit 1, this is your take profit 2. That's your buy point, that's your take profit 1, and then, wow, take profit 2, you can see right there, will be at the top of here. Very simple. And it literally is that simple. That simple. Hope you've enjoyed the video, lads and ladies and gentlemen and women and everyone else who's watched this video. Please hit like, subscribe. I'm going to chuck them a few more videos just like this. Simple marking of the charts, naked Forex. Very easy to read. Just to help you guys understand how very simple this is. Do not rush the market. I would not be entering this market right now. Not a chance. 4 minutes left on this candle. I would not be entering this market right now. No way. I'll be waiting for this point or that point, because then that is giving me more probability of the fact that this market is going that way or this market is going that way. That's simple. See you in the next video, guys.